Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. IFSC लीगल के फॉर्म फिल करने की लास्ट डेट एक्सटेंड हो गई है and now the last date is 12th of July and there is a good news. Final year candidates are now eligible to apply for this exam. Earlier the cut-off date was in February. Feb तक आपको graduate होना था, eligible होना था. But now, as per the clarifications, as per the details which have been brought by IFSCA, final year candidates have also been allowed to appear for this exam. Let's read the details once. This is the corrigendum that is released by IFSCA. In this corrigendum, there is extension of time for submission of online application and certain clarifications against the advertisement. First of all, with regard to the queries received with respect to the reservation of post for recruitment to the grade of assistant manager, it is informed that grade A is a single cadre and considered equivalent to group A. All reservations have been calculated in terms of various orders, instructions issued by the Government of India on this matter. Second, candidates who are seeking reservation or relaxation benefits available for SC, ST, OBC and EWS or any other category must ensure that they are entitled to such reservation relaxation as per the eligibility which is prescribed. At the time of interview, you should have all requisite valid certificates in the prescribed format in support of their plea. And these certificates should be dated earlier than the crucial date, that is the date of interview. Date of interview से पहले आपके पास ये certificates होने चाहिए, dated before the date of interview. Then the third topic is a person seeking appointment on the basis of reservation to EWS must ensure that they possess income and asset certificate valid for financial year by a competent authority, and this possession of income and asset certificate should be on or after 1st of April 2024. The date of the document should be after 1st April 2024 but before the date of interview. Then candidates belonging to the OBC category should be in possession of OBC NCL certificate on or after 1st of April 2024 and before the date of document verification at the time of interview. Then coming to the fifth point, which is there for eligibility, candidates who have appeared at a qualifying examination, the passing of which would render them educationally qualified for the IFSC exam but have not been informed of the result will also be eligible for admission to IFSC examination. All candidates who are declared qualified by the IFSCA for appearing in interview will be required to produce proof of passing the requisite qualification examination, failing which such candidates will not be admitted to interview. Such proof of passing the requisite qualifying examination should have been issued latest by the date of interview. इसका मतलब डेट ऑफ इंटरव्यू तक आपका रिजल्ट आ जाना चाहिए, आप क्वालिफाइंग एग्जामिनेशन के लिए एजुकेशनली क्वालिफाइड होने चाहिए till the date of interview. So this shows that final year candidates are now eligible. Date of interview जब भी आएगा सितंबर अक्टूबर तक, तब तक आपका रिजल्ट आ जाना चाहिए and you should be qualified. The last day to fill the online application form now is 12th of July 2024. So earlier, if you were not eligible, आप इस एग्जाम के लिए अब अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. All other terms and conditions of said advertisement and corrigenda issued subsequently will remain unchanged. तो बाकी सब details आप IFSCA की website से जाकर देख सकते हैं. So these are all the details that are shared. I hope this is a good news for few of you who were earlier not eligible, but अब आप form fill कर सकते हैं. SEBI legal और IFSCA legal की तैयारी एक साथ की जा सकती है. Phase 1 is exactly the same. If you need any form of guidance, preparation material, study material, mock test, full length practice test, section test, anything which can help you in the preparation of SEBI legal and IFSC legal, you can check out our courses. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with a crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.